Hi everyone, this is Professor Wellman, and as you can see, my voice is coming back. We're in week 4, and as we have, this is our final week, and you're doing great. I think it's good that I know some of you had low confidence at the beginning of the course, and now as we are going through week 2 and then coming to the end of week 3, your confidence, you're starting to get more confident, and that shows when you ask more questions and you just keep going. So I really encourage you to keep trying. I know this has been challenging and sometimes it's been daunting. So, but I just let you know that it always is daunting to approach experimental research for the first time. And it does take a while to get used to. And then after a while, like after 4 weeks, you are used to it. So you're doing really great. So this week we're looking at factorial designs and field research. Here we have, and Appendix D, selecting statistical procedures. So that's your reading. Now we're going to have your final project will be due on Saturday. You're going to be due three discussion posts as you have done before, and your final exam will open on Thursday, close Sunday. Your post test will open Thursday, close Sunday. So your final project will be due, and this is what you want to include. Please include the title page and abstract and introduction section, your literature review section, your methodology section, and this will have subsections of research design, setting, participants, instruments, procedures, data analysis, limitations, and ethical considerations. And you'll have a conclusion, which probably should really be a section all on its own. It's not really a subsection of methods. And oopsie, how do I get back to where I was? It wants to go to this page, and I don't want it to go there. So then that's your final project. Now for your discussion, you're going to be doing an analysis of choosing one of these 3 articles, and you're going to do a critique of it. You're going to see, first of all, you'll identify the research design, but you'll also offer a critique. Did you think they did it well? What was good about it? What's not good about it? And then you'll talk about the sampling technique they used, the threats to validity that they considered or didn't, the measurements they used, and the ethical issues that would be used in that study. So this actually is fun because you get to look at what someone else did. I do recommend that you do not skip this discussion assignment because it will really help you to tighten up your own project. So I know that sometimes students think, well, I'll get my research project in. I don't have time to do the discussion this week. Don't do that because this will really, really help you. So consider it as part of supporting yourself, okay? So don't skip the discussion. All right, good luck on your exams, and it's been a great class, and I look forward to hearing from you in the future. Let me know how your success is going. And I hope everybody does really, really well. Okay, that's it for me.